Have you ever received a text or email with a link that just felt a little off? When it comes to your debit card security, most suspicious links are absolutely not safe, and clicking them can lead to serious problems like financial fraud. These links are usually part of a scam known as phishing, where criminals pretend to be a trustworthy source, such as your bank or a well-known company. Their goal is to trick you into giving up personal information, like your debit card number, security code, or online banking password. They often create fake websites that look almost identical to real ones, making it very hard to spot the difference at first glance. Once you enter your details on these fake sites, the scammers immediately capture them, leaving your account vulnerable. To protect yourself, always take a moment to inspect any link before clicking. First, hover your mouse over the link without clicking it to see the actual website address that appears, often at the bottom of your screen. Look for websites that begin with HTTPS, which means the connection is secure. Check the domain name carefully for any misspellings or extra words that do not belong. Also, confirm the sender's email address matches the official company or bank. If you are unsure, do not click the link, but instead go directly to the company's official website or app to log in and check your account. Understanding terms like phishing, which is the fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information, and malware, which is malicious software, helps you recognize the threats. Scammers want your debit card information because it gives them direct access to your money. Many companies now offer two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security, often by sending a code to your phone. Always enable this when it is available for your bank and online accounts. By staying vigilant and knowing what to look for, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to online scams and keep your debit card information safe. Your caution is your best defense against those trying to trick you online.